Welcome to Mike's Tech Tips. I'm Mike Everhart, AMPIA, and the 2022 National Aviation Maintenance Technician of the Year. This presentation is on pre-flight after maintenance. There are a couple things that you need to do before you perform your pre-flight. First, discuss with your AMP the maintenance that was performed. And second, review your logbooks to make sure that they are properly filled out and signed. The maintenance is not finished until the logbooks are complete. Also, you will need a ladder, a flashlight, tire gauge, and a fuel sampler. And most importantly, the POH, opened to the pre-flight inspection section. Now let's get started. We're going to start in the cabin. Turn on the master switch to make sure the battery is connected. Check the instruments for operations. Turn on all the exterior lights, including the PDOT heat. Walk around the aircraft to make sure that they are all working, including the stall warning. Once complete, turn off your master switch. The elevator. Check your ailerons. It's a good idea to stick your thumb up in the air. And as you're moving the aileron, your thumb points to the aileron that is sticking up. So the left one would be up. Operate your trim to make sure that it turns in the correct direction. Okay. Check the brake pedal for operation. Make sure they're solid. Okay, you're going to check the seats for damage. You're also going to check the seat tracks to make sure the seats are on the tracks. Also that the seat stops are installed.